In this question here, we are told to, given the function or the curve y equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 7, where x is greater than 0, find in simplest form dy dx, meaning that we are supposed to differentiate the function that we are given in order to get the answer. So we're going to say for a, dy dx is going to be equal to, we are going to take the power down, then we decrease it by 1. So for instance, this 3 will be brought down here, times 2, that becomes 6, and the power was 3 minus 1, that becomes power 2. And next we are going to have minus 10x, and finally, of course, this expression we have here can be written as 3 over 2x in power negative 1. So if we bring the power down, we are going to have positive 3 over 2x negative 2, because negative 1 minus 1 is going to give us negative 2. And then differentiating a constant, we are going to get 0 at the end or at the last part as the term. Find the equation, and we are told that the point P lies on the curve, and the curve that we are talking about is this. P lies on the curve, and the curve has x coordinate equals to x coordinate. So find the equation of the normal to the curve. So meaning that suppose we were talking of a curve which goes like this. Suppose the curve goes like that, and then we have a point where x is a half, that is the point P where x is a half. We can be able to find the y coordinate, and in fact, if you need to find the y coordinate, it means we're going to substitute x is a half in this original equation, and that is going to translate to 3. So the point is going to be a half 3 as the y coordinate for that particular point. Now, if we are going to work out the equation of the normal is going to meet the tangent at that point that we are being told. If this was the tangent, let me just draw the tangent here. If this is the tangent at point P, and then a normal is drawn, our normal has been drawn here, then it means a normal and the tangent are perpendicular. So meaning the gradient m1 of the tangent times the gradient m2 of the normal is going to give us negative 1. So m1 times m2 is going to give us negative 1. So how are we going to find the equation of the gradient of the normal? We are going to substitute in the gradient function dy dx. We are going to substitute x is equals to 1 over 2. And if you substitute in this expression, you are going to get your answer as 5 over 2. If you substitute x equals to a half through here, you are going to get 5 over 2. So to grade the gradient of the normal, we are going to say m1 times 5 over 2 is going to give us negative 1. And this implies that our gradient for the normal m1 is going to be negative 2 over 5. That's what you are going to get. Now, because we are supposed to find the equation of the normal, already we know where the normal passes is this particular point, and its gradient is this one. Then we can now say y is equals to mx plus c, which is the equation of a straight line. Then we are going to substitute here where we have y, we're going to put 3 equals to the gradient. Gradient is negative 2 over 5, and our x in that case is 1 over 2, then plus c. If we simplify this, we are going to get our answer being 3 is equals to negative 1 over 5 plus c. Then we can take c, this 1 over 5 on the other side, and we're going to have c is equals to 3 plus 1 over 5. And that is going to translate to 16 over 5 at that particular point. Now, this 16 over 5 is going to enable us write the equation of the straight line. And that's going to be what we're going to see now. The equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line, the equation of the normal. We can write the equation of the normal. We can write the equation of the normal as y is equals to m. Our m is -2/5x, and our c is +16/5. Now, at this point, because of the format we were supposed to give our answer should be given in this form. Then we are going to multiply all through by 5, and the equation becomes 5y is equals to -2x plus 16. So since we want to remain with 0 on one side, we take everything on the other side. We have 2x plus 5y minus 16 is equals to 0, which is the equation that we were supposed to find, which is 2x plus 5y minus 16. If you are new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime we are going to upload a tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in the next video.